Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Babbel account. So if you want to delete your Babbel account, then basically what you need to do is open the app just like this, and once you've done that, basically all you need to do in order to delete your account is simply heading over to the top right corner of your screen at the profile icon, and then head over to the top left corner of your screen at your settings icon. Then click on settings, and right here under account you'll find delete account. Just click on it and then click on delete. And basically once you clicked on delete, alright, so after you clicked on delete, basically all you need to do is head over to your email, and you need to make sure that the email you've typed in with the Babbel account is actually also over on the app or with your normal email, so just make sure those two match. But you should get an email where you can basically just delete your account. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on delete your account and click on default app browser or just any browser, it doesn't even really matter. Just click on that just like this, and once you've done that, you'll right here be able to simply delete your account, as you guys can see. And it's basically already deleted, and it will basically be deleted actually within 24 hours. So that's basically all you need to do in order to delete your account over on the Babbel app. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.